Hello, my darlings. Well, what a week to come back. As reported, we appear to be in the middle of something quite unusual. So, whether you're sitting at home in 2052 or perhaps watching this back in 2022, good evening. What's my secret? Well, plenty of sunscreen and, of course, all that drumming. I hope I've aged well. Now, Storm GALWAD has been dominating the news and it's not ready to step out of the limelight just yet. The Weather Service has issued a red warning across North Wales. The weather front currently sitting over the Irish Sea is concerning, and it looks like it's on its way back. It continues to be unpredictable and we're still figuring it out, but we shouldn't be surprised to see more of that electrical storm activity, with an expected peak on Sunday evening in the Blaenau Ffestiniog area. I'll be here over the weekend as well now, so we'll continue to keep you updated. Looking at Saturday, well, I'm afraid there's disappointment ahead for sports fans, with many games being postponed as a precaution. Outdoor venues have really struggled to recover from the peak summer heat and the water restrictions, and venues in the flood belt in the south are now being battered by the return of the wetter weather. But for those of you holding out for the Mannix anniversary hologram gig at Cardiff Castle next weekend, well, we're keeping our fingers crossed, and I'll certainly be watching.